So another important point of note, and our research over 20 years has brought us to this now, is that the threat for leopards, for the natural systems and the wilderness areas it resides within, the same systems that we as humans rely upon as well, the threats are different in different parts of the island. So certain districts have one particular threat and another district may have a different type of threat. And this knowledge then helps us to target and package how our solutions are going to be, because it's not just one solution that's going to fit all. So for example, in the lowland south, in some of our districts in let's say Hambantota or in the Galoya area, in the dry zone areas, one of the threats to the leopard, and then of course that also means to our natural systems, because if we do lose the leopard here, we lose other wildlife and we run the risk of also losing our natural forests and ecosystems there. One of the threats there is poaching, habitat fragmentation, and poaching done via trap guns, for example. Habitat fragmentation occurring because of certain agricultural practices, urbanization in some areas. So that is in one part of the island. In another part of the island, let's take the Central Hills where we have our tea plantation landscape. The threat there, the direct threat there for leopards is snaring. Now the snares are not particularly set for the leopard themselves, but they are set for other wild species such as wild boar and deer. And again, this is because there's a human demand for eating this illegal poached meat. But snares are indiscriminate, so they will kill whatever goes through, or they will maim and injure and then possibly kill whatever goes through. It could be you, it could be your dog. So in the highlands, we are seeing that that is a bit of an issue. We're also seeing that housing, for example, and changing land utilization is also cutting up these wild spaces and preventing species such as the leopard from being able to move through from one big forested area to another area. And then what that does is it brings humans and wildlife into closer contact. And that also can mean a whole different scenario. So then we need to target that for possible solutions.